Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is Monday, August 23rd, 2021. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report. You can see our awards there and our disclaimer along with our subscription services. A reminder, there's a YouTube discount, 10% on everything. That ends at the end of this month. We also have a contest. Guess the closing price of the S&P at the end of the month. We're into the September month now, and you win a free 30-day subscription to everything we have to offer. Okay, we got that, and I want to let you guys know, or thank you guys for subscribing to the service. Also remember to hit the reminder bell and the like button. And again, the like button decides not to show up, so it looks like this, only smaller. Okay, it's Monday, so something must be going on because I don't usually do reports on Monday, right? So let's get right into it. We're going to look at the S&P, Tesla, and gold, okay? This is the 10-minute bar of the S&P. Again, since we went through that August 3rd low, you can see that right there, okay? We're looking at things from the July 19th low, okay? We have 5 waves up. And our ideal target was 48.86, and the S&P hit 48.89 today. Okay, I want to show you guys our wave count here and what is going on. Okay, so we had a 1 up here, a 2 down here, a 3 up there, a 4 down there, and a 5 up there. Okay, interesting, you know that 4 cannot go lower than the high of 1, and the one high here was 43.65, and the low here was 40. It was closer than that. Where is it here, guys? Come on, 43. Get on there. I got it on a picture here, but it's held within just a couple points. You can see right here where it is. Okay, my drawings are in the way. And then we had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up from that low on the 19th. Okay, we can get a little closer to that. You can see we had a 48.86 target at 2 different degrees of trend. So that's pretty important. We're looking for, as far as time is concerned, we discussed yesterday how ideally it tops on August 30th, which is a week from today. As far as price is concerned, it hit our ideal price target. So we'll see, will time cause it to go a little higher, or will price cause it to come down now? Okay, we're going to look at our Fibonacci retracements of this most recent decline. This most recent advance from the July 19 lows. We can get that on there. 48.80, that's close enough. Okay, you can see our 382 is 43.91, 50%, 43.60, 618 is 43.30, and there's the previous 4th wave right in there. Let me get rid of these 236 and 768 because I only use them every once in a while. The main 3 are right here. There we go. That cleans that up. And you can see again that 4 held above that 1. So we have 5 waves up. As far as a pattern is concerned, we have a 5-wave completed pattern from the July 19th. Wave structure, 5 is higher than 3. Everything's in place. Time, ideally, it goes to August 30th, but we'll see which one wins out, okay? I think I have a recap on that. Here we go. Yeah, you can see 43.66 here for that wave 1 high and 43.67. Okay, so we had a 1, 2, 3 subdivided 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had a pretty steep 4 over there within a point. And then we have 5 waves up. We had a 43.86 target, and we got a 43.89 actual price today on the 23rd. Those pullback retracements are 43.89, 43.59, 43.29. What we've been telling our newsletter subscribers all along, we need a break of this July 19th low to verify a change in trend, okay? So we'll see if we're just going to, if the market's going to just correct this most recent 5-wave advance, or if it's something more. You know, we were looking at things from the August 3rd low, and it corrected more than that. So we'll see. We'll know relatively soon. I would say within a week at the most, definitely by the 30th, and maybe sooner than that. But the S&P is not all that's going on today. This is a critical time because things are happening, okay? Let's look at Tesla. You can see our all-time high, January 25, 1900. 5 waves down for intermediate wave. A down. We have an A up, a B down. I'm going to move that B. There we go. And a C up for wave B. And then we had a 1 and a 2. We can look at this a little closer because you can see, well, let's just look at the closer. Okay, let me go ahead and get this target in here real quick first, though. Let's get an extension between the 900 high and that A wave low, that B wave high right there, and that gives us a C wave target of 371. That may be off by a little bit. We have a picture of that we'll get to in a minute, but we're going to look at this here. This is important, okay, from that August 13 high. Okay, I think I have that here. Yes, I do. There is the August 13 high. You can see we have 5 waves down. I don't have them labeled. 3 waves up. We got a 5, 3. And notice that this 2 here, let me just, yeah, I've got that marked there. There's 1. Okay, it's tiny. And there's 2. This 2 here is right at the 786 retracement of 1. And let's just see where 3 equals 1 on a smaller scale at 630. And if we want to go to a 1.618, which is more likely, we got a 580 target there, okay? So that's what we're looking at. We get through this critical low here right at 648, then we're off to the races to the downside, 630, and more likely 580 before we pull up, okay? That's 1, 2, we'll be looking for 3. We need to see this low taken out. Okay, I wanted to show you guys also, let me remove this so it doesn't get too complicated. Within this corrective structure, let me make that bigger and easier for everyone to see. There we go. Okay, let's do a little Fibonacci extension here. We've got an A up. That might not be right on it. A B down, and that's off a little bit. And that, yeah, we had a 714 target, and it went to 712, right at 712, I believe it was. Yep. And so there's a conglomerate of, or actually 2 targets right around 712, 714, and it hit right there. Okay. So that was near perfect. It was a good opportunity to make profit on the downside in wave 1. Nice move up in wave 2 to make profit with calls or whatever you want to trade. And wave 3 should be coming, okay? Our make or break, not our make or break, but your resistance level is the 714 area there, or the double top right here at the 731, I believe it is. Okay, 729 right in there. Okay, let's look at, okay, we already did that extension there. Thought there was something else I wanted to show you guys with Tesla. Maybe it'll come back to me. Here we go. We did do that ABC up. Yep, and then we're looking at 1, 2. Let me see if I have that there. Yeah, 1, 2. Let me do that. And I think I had that already, but I'm going to do it again just to make sure we all know what's going on. We'll do an extension here. I know what I want to do. I want to show you guys that picture where I have everything in. So we will look at that in a second. We didn't want to do that. Bear with me. Okay, let's look at that Tesla review. Here we go. Everything nice and neat on a pick. We've got the 900 all-time high. There's the A wave low, 5 waves down. A, B, C up for wave B, and that's at 714. You can see it. We had 712, and we had a target of 714, and 714 was, I think the actual one of them is right there. 3 is at 712. There's our targets for wave 3 at 630 and 480, and the larger wave C at 368. So this thing should start accelerating to the downside. And as if that wasn't enough, gold did something interesting today. So we want to look at gold. Today's a pretty big day, okay? There's our all-time high in gold back on August 7th. We had an A down, a B up, a C down. As we said all along, that did not look impulsive. It looked corrective. Impulsive would mean it's the direction of the main trend. So we looked at this as a counter trend move. We had 5 ways up. We needed this low to hold, which was at, I believe it was 1678. Yep, there it is. It held, and we've had 5 waves to the upside. We had a breakout right here. We'll see that. We had 1, 2, 3, and 4. We needed something above 3 to confirm our wave count, okay? We got to have this low hold, which it did over here, and a breakout here, okay? So if we do a larger picture here, okay, we can do, let's do the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here real quick, okay, on gold. So that's a 1. I can change that degree of trend. That's 2. We'll just put 3, 4, and 5 up here. We'll make that one larger degree. We'll make it micro. There we go. There's our 1, 2. And obviously 3 will gain equality with 1 right near the high because it went almost 100%. But let me get into this first. Okay, I want to go hourly and show you guys the breakout and the details from that low. Okay, here we go. Let's get this going up here. There we go. Okay, there is that low that held from the previous low. We've got a 1 up, a 2 down, and that's off by a little bit. Put it there. You can see the 3 and the long sideways 4 we talked about, and there's that break above. You can see the 3 high right here, and what the gold did today was it broke above there. Okay, so that gives us 5 waves. You can see that looks like a 1, 2, 3 and a 4. Definitely an ascending triangle. So we should get a 5 on that and can break that down even more. But yeah, that should go up. 1833 looks nice, whereas a 1.618. So gold verified our wave count. The trend is up. We're long against that previous low. And I believe I may have a pick on that too. Yep, here we go. And there is the all-time high. In August, ABC down to the March 31 low at 1678. That held by 3 points. Okay, that was wave 2. It cannot retrace more than 100% of 1. There's our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. For 1 on June 1st at 1916, the ABC low, the 1, 2, 3, 4, and the breakout. You can see 5 equals 1 at 1848. So we're long gold against that 1678 low. And the S&P, as far as, let me get that picture back up. There is the S&P as far as price is concerned. It came within 3 points of ideal. We still have that 8:30 turn date out there. And then the October one, that's getting way out in front. But here's our targets here. Here's our make or break for the change in trend at 42.33. And we'll see where it goes from here. A lot of exciting things happened today. So until next time, take care, everyone.